Hello, thanks for dropping in. Today I say goodbye to a classic piece of Commodore history. It is indeed a mechanical adding machine, and I got it some time ago. I just loved the styling, loved the looks, and of course the Commodore history. But indeed there comes a time to pass things along. So today is that day, and actually I've had many delays, as you may have noticed. I have not been online too much. Many delays, complications, etc., etc., etc. In other words, sort of life. But today I have finally gone unto the pool room to gather this relic, this grand example of really engineering. I mean, these mechanical things, it's mechanical. Like, it's really all kinds of things that when you do things, when you press buttons, things click, things move, and when you press, total and other things, real pieces of metal and stuff spin and twirl and pop up and print and, make the paper go forward and all that stuff. Anyway, so, yes. I'm going to prepare a whole bunch of bubble wrap, because oh, hello, Penny, if you're going, no, Penny, don't go up there, Penny, no, Penny, if you're going to ship something, what I found recently, a lot of people don't ship things very well, and even when you do, you never know, but I have found that bubble wrap, and not the really thick stuff, but kind of the medium-sized, hi, Penny, bubble wrap, is quite, oh, Penny, thank you, Penny, oh, Penny, okay, cool thing about the iPad, when you tap to focus, look at that, thank you, Penny, I'm going to tap on the Commodore logo, come again, Penny, anyway, yes, I see you, Penny, so, I will take and wrap this in many layers of bubble wrap, so that essentially it becomes like a bubble wrap ball. Penny, don't touch the chair, please. Don't touch the chair, please. Oh, Penny. Oh, Penny. Okay. Penny, we'll touch that again. There we go. Anyway, it'll become almost like a bubble wrap ball that it would take some doing for anything to damage this relic of Commodore history. Yes, hello, Penny. So, that is what I need to do today, is to get it packed and addressed and shipped, so that the delays, I should have had this on the way a while ago, but things happen, life happens, it does. Yes, Penny, thank you. So, there it is. One piece of Commodore history going out the door. As I've said before, I will be selling many things. Much more stuff to go. And once again, people say, well, how many 64s do you have? And of course, my answer is, well, I don't know. I only have one of these. So this is a one of, and soon it will find another happy home, probably sitting on a shelf in a man cave, surrounded by other magical pieces of Commodore history. Hello, Penny. Okay, Penny, thank you for coming. Oh, let me just go pet Penny for a second. Penny, come here. Penny, come here. There you go. Nice. Okay. So, stay tuned. Thanks for coming. Goodbye, Penny. Say goodbye, Penny. Okay, that's Penny saying goodbye. Bye.